The Ponce Ergo 8W harvester is a marvel of modern forestry machinery, designed to tackle the most challenging timber harvesting tasks with efficiency, power, and precision. This advanced harvester is engineered to excel in heavy timber operations, often referred to as Starkholz in German, meaning dense or heavy wood. The Ergo 8W combines innovative technology, robust construction, and ergonomic design to provide a versatile and reliable solution for forestry professionals. At the heart of the Ponce Ergo 8W harvester is its robust construction. The machine features a sturdy 8-wheel drive system, providing superior traction and stability even in the most difficult terrains. This is crucial for operations in heavy timber forests, where the ground can be uneven and the trees significantly large and dense. The 8-wheel configuration distributes the weight more evenly, reducing ground pressure and minimizing soil compaction, which is essential for maintaining the health of the forest floor. The frame of the Ergo 8W is constructed from high-strength steel, ensuring durability and longevity. This robust build allows the harvester to withstand the rigors of heavy timber harvesting, where the machinery is subjected to substantial mechanical stress. The machine's articulation joint provides excellent maneuverability, enabling it to navigate tight spaces and challenging environments with ease. The Ponce Ergo 8W harvester is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers exceptional power and torque. This engine is designed to handle the demanding requirements of heavy timber harvesting, providing the necessary force to cut and process large trees efficiently. The machine's hydraulic system is optimized for high productivity, allowing for smooth and precise control of the harvester head. One of the standout features of the Ergo 8W is its advanced harvester head. Equipped with powerful cutting and processing mechanisms, the harvester head can handle a wide range of tree sizes and species. The head's design ensures clean cuts and efficient delimbing, which are critical for maximizing the value of the harvested timber. The machine's computer system allows operators to adjust settings for different tree species and sizes, ensuring optimal performance in various conditions. CS and operator comfort. Operating heavy machinery in forestry can be physically demanding, which is why the Ponce Ergo 8W is designed with operator comfort in mind. The cabin of the harvester is spacious and ergonomically designed, featuring adjustable seats, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility. This focus on ergonomics helps reduce operator fatigue, enhancing productivity and safety during long shifts. The cabin is equipped with advanced climate control systems, ensuring a comfortable working environment regardless of external weather conditions. Noise reduction measures have been implemented to minimize operator stress, creating a quieter and more pleasant workspace. Additionally, the cabin's design includes large windows and strategically placed mirrors, providing operators with a clear view of their surroundings and the working area. The Ponce Ergo 8W harvester is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to enhance efficiency and productivity. The machine is equipped with Ponce's proprietary Opti information system, which provides real-time data on machine performance, fuel consumption, and production metrics. This system enables operators to make informed decisions and optimize their harvesting processes. The Opti system also includes features such as GPS-based mapping and planning tools, which assist in creating efficient work plans and tracking progress. This level of technological integration ensures that the Ergo 8W operates at peak efficiency, reducing downtime and maximizing output. Sustainability is a key concern in modern forestry, and the Ponce Ergo 8W harvester is designed with environmental considerations in mind. The machine's efficient engine and hydraulic systems help minimize fuel consumption and emissions, reducing its environmental footprint. The 8-wheel drive system, combined with low ground pressure tires, helps protect the forest floor from excessive compaction and damage. Additionally, the precise cutting and processing capabilities of the harvester head reduce waste and ensure that as much of the tree as possible is utilized. This not only maximizes the economic value of the harvested timber, but also aligns with sustainable forestry practices. Beal Brothers Crane and Rigging recently completed the impressive task of transporting a massive 923,000-pound transformer from Bunnell, Florida to Mims, Florida. This extraordinary logistical feat showcases the company's expertise in handling and moving oversized and heavy loads with precision and efficiency. The journey spanned approximately 75 miles and required meticulous planning and coordination. The sheer size and weight of the transformer presented significant challenges, demanding the use of specialized equipment and rigorous safety protocols. Beal Brothers Crane and Rigging deployed state-of-the-art cranes, trailers, and support vehicles to ensure the smooth and safe transport of the transformer. One of the critical aspects of this operation was route planning. The team had to carefully map out a path that could accommodate the transformer's dimensions and weight, avoiding low bridges, sharp turns, and other potential obstacles. This process involved close collaboration with local authorities to secure the necessary permits and coordinate traffic management. The loading and unloading of the transformer were equally complex tasks. Beal Brothers' skilled operators used precision lifting techniques to carefully position the transformer onto the transport trailer and secure it for the journey. Upon arrival in Mims, the team executed the unloading process with the same level of expertise, ensuring the transformer was safely delivered to its destination without any damage. This successful move underscores Beal Brothers Crane and Rigging's capabilities in the heavy transport sector. Their ability to handle such a formidable load with ease reflects their commitment to safety, efficiency, and excellence. It also highlights the importance of experienced professionals and advanced equipment in executing large-scale transportation projects. Cerens, a leader in heavy lifting and engineered transport, assembles one of the world's largest cranes, the SGC 120, with meticulous planning and precision. The process starts with comprehensive site surveys and detailed assembly plans, customized to the project's requirements and site conditions. Transporting the massive crane components is a logistical feat. Specialized trucks and trailers deliver the main boom, counterweights, and structural elements to the site. Each route is carefully planned to avoid obstacles and ensure safe delivery. On-site, the assembly begins with preparing a stable foundation, often using heavy-duty mats or concrete pads. Smaller cranes lift and position the larger components. The main boom, which can extend several hundred meters, is assembled section by section. Each section is lifted, aligned, and securely bolted together. The counterweight, crucial for balance, is assembled and attached to the crane's rear. Throughout the process, Cerens employs advanced technology for precision and safety. Computer-aided design, CAD, systems guide the assembly, while real-time monitoring systems ensure proper alignment and structural integrity. Skilled technicians and engineers oversee every step, conducting rigorous inspections and tests. After assembly, the SGC 120 undergoes load tests to verify its performance and safety. These tests simulate maximum lifting capacity to ensure all systems function correctly. Once tested and approved, the SGC 120 is ready for its heavy lifting tasks, exemplifying Cerens' expertise and commitment to engineering excellence in heavy lifting and transport. An awe-inspiring sight is on the horizon as an enormous rig prepares to board the SS Badger. This colossal piece of machinery boasts impressive specifications that make it a marvel of engineering and transportation. The rig stretches an astounding 198 feet in length, creating a striking visual as it navigates the staging area. Its width measures 15 feet and 5 inches, ensuring it has the necessary stability and space to accommodate all its essential components and equipment. Weighing in at a hefty 350,000 pounds, the rig's substantial mass reflects the heavy-duty materials and robust construction designed to handle demanding operational requirements. Notable features of this rig is its 19-axle configuration. The numerous axles are crucial for distributing its enormous weight evenly, ensuring safe and efficient mobility across various surfaces. This design not only enhances stability, but also reduces the risk of damage to the transportation route. Watching this massive rig maneuver around the parking lot is nothing short of spectacular. The skill and precision required to handle such a vast and heavy load are evident in every carefully calculated move. The anticipation builds as we await the next video, which will capture the intricate process of loading this behemoth onto the SS Badger. This event underscores the incredible capabilities of modern engineering and transportation logistics. The successful boarding of this rig onto the SS Badger will be a testament to the meticulous planning and execution involved in handling oversized loads. Chemical splitter is making its way through Edmonton, Alberta, destined for the Heartland Petrochemical Complex, which is under construction outside Fort Saskatchewan. This substantial piece of equipment is integral to the facility's operations, specifically designed to separate propylene from propane. Once at the Heartland Petrochemical Complex, the splitter will facilitate the production of polypropylene, a highly recyclable plastic used in a variety of applications, from packaging and automotive parts to textiles and consumer goods. Polypropylene's versatility and recyclability make it a valuable material in both industrial and everyday contexts. Transporting such an enormous and heavy piece of machinery is a logistical marvel. Specialized transport vehicles are required to handle its weight and size, and the journey from Edmonton to Fort Saskatchewan involves careful route planning to navigate potential obstacles like low bridges and tight corners. This transportation effort underscores the complexity and scale of modern industrial logistics. The petrochemical complex represents a significant investment in Alberta's petrochemical industry, promising to enhance the region's capacity to produce high-value petrochemical products. The arrival of the petrochemical splitter is a critical milestone in the construction of this facility, bringing it closer to operational status. Once completed, the complex will contribute to the local economy by creating jobs and supporting the production of essential materials. The transportation of the 1,640,000-pound petrochemical splitter to the Heartland Petrochemical Complex is a testament to the ambitious scale of this project and its importance to Alberta's industrial landscape. Cretex is undertaking a monumental logistical endeavor with the transportation of its largest beam to date. This colossal structure measures an astounding 183 feet in length, stands 96 inches tall, and weighs a staggering 226,000 pounds. The successful movement of this beam underscores Cretex's advanced capabilities in producing and managing large-scale precast concrete components. Specialized transport vehicles designed to handle its massive size and weight are essential for this operation. The route must be carefully charted to avoid obstacles like low bridges, tight turns, and narrow roads. This involves detailed coordination with local authorities to manage road closures and ensure public safety. Every aspect of the journey, from loading to transit to unloading, is planned with exacting detail to guarantee the beam's safe and efficient delivery to its destination. The beam's significant dimensions indicate its role in a major infrastructure project, such as a bridge or a large-scale building. In such projects, the beam's strength and size are critical. Cretex's ability to produce and transport this beam highlights the company's engineering prowess and its contribution to ambitious construction endeavors. Successfully coordinating the transport of a beam of this magnitude requires a seamless collaboration between engineers, transport specialists, and project managers. It also demonstrates Cretex's commitment to innovation and excellence in the precast concrete industry. The transportation of Cretex's largest beam is more than just a logistical challenge. It is a testament to the company's expertise and dedication. By overcoming the complexities involved in moving this enormous structure, Cretex not only showcases its technical capabilities, but also emphasizes the vital role of such components in advancing large-scale infrastructure projects. This achievement marks a significant milestone in the company's history and the broader field of construction engineering.
Heron Construction, a leading New Zealand company known for its expertise in marine and civil engineering projects, operates a remarkable piece of machinery. A 270-ton long-reach excavator equipped with a 3-part boom extending to an impressive 42 meters. This specialized excavator is designed for precision and efficiency, playing a crucial role in projects that involve trimming batter slopes and placing armor rock on reclamations and seawalls. The unique 3-part boom allows the excavator to reach extensive distances and operate in challenging environments where traditional excavators would struggle. This capability is particularly valuable for constructing and maintaining seawalls and reclamation areas, where precise placement of large rock armor is essential for protecting coastlines from erosion and storm damage. The steel components of this formidable boom were manufactured by Real Steel, a company renowned for its high-quality steel products. Following the production of these components, Heron Construction took on the fabrication process, meticulously assembling the parts to create a robust and reliable boom capable of handling the demanding tasks it was designed for. This collaboration between Real Steel and Heron Construction highlights the synergy between advanced manufacturing techniques and practical engineering expertise. The result is a powerful and versatile excavator that not only enhances Heron Construction's operational capabilities, but also contributes significantly to the infrastructure and coastal protection efforts in New Zealand. The 270-ton long-reach excavator stands as a testament to innovation and collaboration in the field of heavy machinery and construction.
Operator designed to withstand heavy use and harsh conditions.